Do you know that Boston Dynamics' latest creation, the Atlas AI robot, is a groundbreaking project that blends years of robotics research with practical applications? This electric-powered robot is not just a futuristic concept, but a real-life innovation. It's an exciting step forward in the world of artificial intelligence and practical applications. Boston Dynamics has built on its success with robots like Spot and Stretch, and now Atlas is taking it to the next level. This new iteration is designed for practical use in both commercial and industrial settings. But what makes Atlas truly unique? Well, it's not just a robot, it's a fully electric AI system that can navigate complex environments. Imagine this robot maneuvering through factories, warehouses, or even homes. It's all thanks to the collaboration between Boston Dynamics and Hyundai Motor Group, who are enhancing and testing its advanced capabilities. So, stay tuned as we continue to follow this exciting development in the world of robotics. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to be updated on more tech news updates. Thanks for watching.